Chicken disguises. The chicken disguises. The chicken disguises as a tree and stalks its prey. And the chicken strikes once again. The bush lies on the ground, waiting for its victim. And the bush eats her up and once strikes again. This is a bottle. It sits there and does nothing but yell. And it's not even alive. Goodbye. Chicken, little chicken, let's make you into a nugget. I came in like a chicken coop. All I wanted was the chickens. I just want to be full of them. I came in like a chicken coop. And this is the nature document of random nature stuff.
Stop talking, Sue!
Oh. Nature! Do you see that?
That's not nature.
Oh, okay. Wait. Ah! The bazillion leaves. Shut up! The bazillion leaves strike for the diamond. Alright, let's just deal with these chickens. Okay, we're like a chicken coop. Shut up!
And that has been a nature document of nature and chickens.
I came in like a shark!